Can you see if someone viewed your Roblox profile? So, no, there is no direct feature that allows you to see who viewed your profile. Roblox does not provide any functionality that tracks or shows profile viewers for privacy and safety reasons. However, there are few indirect methods you can use to gather insights about who might be looking at your profile. So, firstly, check who followed you. While you cannot see who viewed your profile directly, you can see who has followed you. People who are interested in your profile will likely follow you. If you are part of any groups, you can sometimes see who has visited the group page or interacted with the group's content. So, not only this, if you are active in games, you might be able to get an idea of who's been interacting with your profile through in game activities, like friends joining your game or people interacting with your game related content, such as badge or leaderboard. Although Roblox does not provide a feature to see who viewed your profile, you can indirectly track people' interest through followers, group interaction, and in game activities. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.